And this week, our Earth is getting a little love from all the rain we're seeing.
Oh, that's right. Meteorologist Ross Caruso is in for Jerry Martz tonight. And you're out in the rain. It's really cold,
Yeah,
rainy.
my hands are still cold.
I bet they are. And I thought I saw hail today. Did I see hail?
Yeah, some sleet. We had some sleet earlier today, and that was pretty noisy, too, and just kind of burst of that just due to the fact that it's really cold. And, of course, you know, this time of the year with the way the sun angle is, things tend to warm up a little bit quicker, even on some of these kind of sporadic cold days that we get through the spring months. But yeah, it is looking like it is going to stay pretty cold for the remainder of the evening for us. So unfortunately, you know, some of us may be kind of nursing some sunburns from the weekend, and now you're looking at some winter jackets needed for the next 24 hours, and we'll probably need to keep those handy for the upcoming weekend because temperatures will be tumbling again. The system that is providing us with some of the rain, snow, sleet, pretty much everything, you name it, that we've been seeing today, all to our north. But we are seeing the system start to move out to the east, and we've kind of been going back and forth between that of seeing some rain and seeing some snow showers mixing in and starting to pick up over in Union County, where we're seeing some of this heavier, more steady rain pass through, perhaps seeing some sleet or snow mixing in, just exiting out towards Bellefontaine, pushing over Marysville now. And the thing is, with the radar, what it picks up is potentially rain, could very well be a mixed bag of precipitation due to the difference in temperatures from the surface near where this is being picked up in the atmosphere. But nonetheless, it is just downright cold out there. Winds are going to remain breezy out of the west for the next 24 hours. So we have wind chills already into the 20s for a lot of folks just to our north. 26 degrees, the current wind chill factor in Delaware, 31 here in Columbus. Not too shabby down to the south and east, but you're going to be feeling the winter chill as we head into the overnight. So we're going to continue to see some of these scattered showers linger into the early part of this evening. Those will then start to dry out, and the clouds will start to erode, where we'll see some clearing overnight. Winds are going to stay on the breezy side. So we are going to continue to see some pretty cold conditions heading into the start of the day for us as we head into your Tuesday. Temperatures are only going to be in the low to mid 60s for us. So again, it is going to be pretty cold as we head into the day. Going into Tuesday afternoon, we'll start to rebound with the temperatures, but for the most part, it is still looking like it is going to be pretty chilly up until the late afternoon, evening hours, where we will see those temperatures slowly climb into the upper 50s for us by around 6, 7 o'clock. Temperatures closer to 60, closer to the southern Ohio, and then starting to fall back down into the 30s as we head into your Tuesday night. So we are going to see potentially still some chilly mornings ahead, but noticeably warmer afternoons. And believe it or not, we're going to be making leaps and bounds as we head into the midweek, because temperatures are not only going to be into the 70s, but even into the low 80s for us Thursday. But of course, here comes that downfall again with those temperatures. We will be falling back potentially into the low 50s for our highs over the weekend. So certainly not the best day to go outside and do any yard work, but tomorrow through Thursday looking like fantastic days. It will be breezy and warm, especially Thursday with highs near 81 degrees. But then Friday, we'll watch our next system come into town, and it's not going to be the only one as we head into the weekend. So breezy and warm as we head into Thursday. We'll be caught in the warm sector of our next system, which will really help to keep things nice and warm for us towards the end of the week. The cold front looking like it's going to be arriving during the day on Friday. Not really seeing many hints at the potential for severe weather, but something we'll keep a close eye on since this is a little bit later into the week. We could very well see some changes, but then another system from the southeast will be chasing the tail of the first one that'll be coming through, and which looks like it's going to bring a decent amount of rain as we head into the start of the weekend on Saturday. And pretty much for the end of April, it is looking like temperatures will be trending below average. Now, again, below average is 60 degrees. That sounds great compared to what we're dealing with now. So it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to be looking at temperatures like today pretty much the rest of the month, but it does look like we are going to continue to see these temperatures hang out into the cool side as we head into the second half of next week. But for now, looking like we are going to be staying pretty cold and chilly for the next couple mornings, but then warming up before you know it with highs back into the 80s by Thursday. Yolanda?
All right. Thank you, Ross.